Hello friends, I am Shataj and welcome you to my channel instituterank.com. So today we will discuss about free IAS coaching in Indore. So our rank 1 coaching in Indore is Yojana IAS. Yojana IAS is one of the best coaching for English medium and Hindi medium students both. If you want to study from Hindi medium, then you can choose Yojana IAS, and also if you want to study from English medium. It has specialized faculties for all the subjects. You will get all the study materials, mock test series and everything. You will get all the facilities and it is also available in both online and offline mode. So once visit to its website, you will get all the information about Yojana IAS. Now let's move to rank 2 coaching. So our rank 2 coaching in Indore is Plutus IAS. Plutus IAS is one of the best coaching in Indore, which will make you prepare for UPSC civil service exam. As it is available in both online and offline mode, Plutus IAS has the best faculty members team. It has all the experienced and knowledgeable faculty members. Plutus IAS also provides you all the study materials, all the notes, and also conduct mock test regularly, which is very important for any exam preparation, because mock test help you know your level of preparation. So mock test is very important, and doubt session is also specially conducted where you can clarify all your doubts. Friends, the faculty member of Plutus IAS is very supportive and their way of teaching is very good. They makes your every concept clear and they also provides you very good notes. If you study concentrated in this coaching, then you will be able to crack IAS with good rank. IAS is one of the most toughest exam in India, but Plutus IAS has given best result in IAS. More than 50% student of Plutus IAS has cracked the exam with good rank last year. And the rating of students for Plutus IAS is 4.8 out of 5. So if you want to study in your best coaching, then you can go for Plutus IAS. Now our next coaching, rank 3rd, is Kautilya IAS. Kautilya IAS is one of the best coaching specialized for judiciary civil services. If you want to do preparation for judiciary civil service, then you must choose Kautilya IAS. Kautilya IAS has a term of experienced and knowledgeable faculty members. Their teaching way is very unique. They are focused to judiciary civil services. All the study materials are prepared in very specialized manner. They gives you very good notes and good series which will help you to prepare in best way. Result of Kautilya IAS of previous year is very great. And our last coaching in Indore is on rank 4, The Hindu Zone. The Hindu Zone is one of the best platform in India, which will give you any of the coaching according to your wish. Now you are thinking how? So let me tell you, it is a platform where all the best online and offline coaching of India is registered. So if you want to study, then you can just go to The Hindu Zone and there you will find video lectures. So now you are thinking, if you will study from video lectures, then how will you clarify your doubts? So let me tell you, there is another option. Doubt clearing session is conducted every week where you can clarify all your doubts, and all the study materials and notes are provided. And one speciality of The Hindu Zone is also provide counseling session, free counseling session, which is going to be helpful for all the students. So thank you friends for watching my full video, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel for more updates related to government exams.